Welcome, friends, family, loved ones. We gather here today to help Alix and Savannah celebrate their unity and marriage, and also to offer them our love and support as they express their love and commitment to one another. It's interesting how the times in life when we aren't looking for love is when it seems to find us. What may start as just another night out with friends can end up being the beginning of the rest of our lives. At the time, we don't have any clue that that one moment in time is only the start of so much more.
The scripts of love of being patient and kind didn't detail the house remodel and the color selection type of patience. It would emphasize more than ever. Perhaps it should emphasize more on how love will grow deeper. When she bears your child, or the way she lights up a room when she walks into it. That's how I know that the love I have is kind.
When I was younger and thought about marriage, I had all these false pretenses. Let's be honest, it's probably due to my love of all those hopeless romantic Hallmark movies. But in reality, marriage isn't going to always be easy. It is going to take work and dedication to keep our love story going strong. It will be full of laughs, smiles, tears, and compromises.
Center on the next one. What we're going to do is we're going to have your first dance.
Alix, I choose you. I choose you to have by my side, and I promise to be the one to bring out the best in you in all of our adventures.
Because every day, whether happiness, sickness, sadness, I'll be there to the end, and I promise you that.